Ready? Take her up, around that way. Keep her up. Flatten her out. It's gonna drop going that way. Yep, just try to keep her up in the air. Keep her up in the air, Larry. You might have to use more throttle on a day like today. Now it's not gonna go too fast. So bring her up so you're floating on the wind. It's definitely windy, ain't it? Keep her up, keep her up. There you go. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's pointing.
I mean, you can get her up higher than that if you want. You know what I mean? You just do the whole circuit up high. Keep it up. That way when you get down at that end, if you want to, you can kill the power if you're way up there. Keep her up. Keep her up. You're doing good. Coasting? Yep, now just go left and right. Trying to keep her right into the wind. I lost it. Okay, now I found it. I looked down at your radio and I couldn't find the plane. Yeah, it's just like a helicopter. It's coming straight down. Yeah, I'll get back on the throttle. Bring her back toward us. Flatten her out. Nice. That's about where you always keep your throttle, right there.
Pretty hot out today.
Yeah, it is. Even with the breeze. Remember to give yourself some down with the turn so it stays up. And flatten her right back out. Nice. Yep. Give her some down, give her some down. If you don't give her down, she's gonna do the I'm heading down. I lost it. Okay, there it is. Now you got a big breeze. Steer it this way. Yep. No, try not to give it too much down because then it'll pop the nose up and it'll just stall. You're alright. Try not to give it too much down because it'll stick the nose straight up and it'll stall. On the way back, you may have to give it more throttle. Remember, over and down at the same time. Flatten her out. She's moving there. You're keeping it up nice. Remember to give her a little down with it so that it stays up. Flatten her out. You can kill just some of the throttle if you want. It's up to you. It doesn't matter. Just try not to pull down too much because that shoots the nose straight up. It's a kite with no strings. It wasn't moving at all. Not moving. Yeah, you got it. Remember on your turn to give her a little bit of down when you do your turn. Oh, you're stalling it. That's alright, you got right back under control. Right back around, flatten her out. Got it. Nice, nice save. That means you have 1 minute left. Now the wind picks up. Okay, Okay, are you going to try to land it this time or are you going to do another lap? Okay, take her down there.
Take another lap?
It's up to you. I think you have plenty of battery to do another lap. You hit the timer.
Yeah.
Driving you nuts, was it?
Yeah.
Just make sure you keep it up enough off the ground. I mean, you don't want to the clouds, but okay. Right on around. Flatten her. Okay, take her down there a ways so that you have more time to, line up with the dike. You're fine. Good. Flatten her out. Start losing your power. Lose some more of your power because it's just going to keep climbing. More throttle off. There you go. Just remember it's the opposite. I think that's alright. That's alright. Back this way. Back this way. I think you need to give her a little more power. You don't want to be pushing down. You want to let it coast right into us. Don't keep pushing down. Keep doing that right there. Perfect. Throttle's off. Back this way. Back this way. Oh, you had her right there. I don't think there's too much water down there. Hopefully you didn't do much when you did the cartwheel.